Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Natural Health and Yoga. If you're here, let me know. Send me a hashtag or say hi. Let me know you are here. I'm glad to see you, everybody. As I promised, every Tuesday at 4 p.m., I'm gonna have a live streaming, talk about one topics. It's gonna be about natural health topics, natural health resolutions, how to prevent chronic diseases. It could be physically, mentally, or emotionally. And what would be the natural resolutions, what we can do to prevent future diseases. If you're here, let me know. Send me hi or hashtag, text me. Welcome everybody. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Shari. You can call me Dr. Shari. I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy and holistic health counselor. Also an experienced yoga instructor. I've been teaching more than 15 years. Healing people is my passion. So if you need any natural health consultation, holistic health consultation, let me know. My focus is on disease prevention. As I promised, every week I'm going to talk about one topic. If you are here, let me know. Say hi. Let me know you are here. Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about sad emotions and natural health resolutions. As you know, sad emotions are like feeling of being sad, loss of interest in doing daily activities, or if it becomes chronic and persisted, those persisted sad emotions can become like depression. So unfortunately, there is a tag name on it, and I don't want to mention the depression. But when the sad emotion persisted for a long time, for weeks, months, and even in some years, the clinical name is depression. If you want to know some of the signs of depression, there are like feeling of lack of interest or reduced interest in pleasure activities that the person was supposed to enjoy. Change in appetites. It could be increased appetite or reduced appetite. It could lead to obesity or weight gain. Sometimes could lead to weight loss. So it could depends on the person. The other sign of we can say persistent sad emotion is sleeping too much or too little. Sometimes there's an anxiety going on and sleeping is too little. Most of the those who feel persistent sad emotions, they sleep too much, and that's a sign. Slow movements and speech, that is the other sign. Usually they feel fatigue or loss of energy, so that would be the slow movement. Feeling of worthlessness or guilt is another sign of depression. Recurrent thoughts or thoughts of like death or suicide is because of persistent sad emotion. So these are all the signs or symptoms we can say, and according to CDC, females are more, actually, twice more, you know, has tendency toward depression. And some types of depressions are unique to the women. For example, postpartum depression, that is after pregnancy, when the child is born, and there's a persistent sad emotion for a few months. But there are natural solutions to that, that women need to learn about it. Also, if you want to know another type of unique depression for women, is premenstrual syndrome. That is before become like period, a few days before period, the feeling of sad emotions, it is there, irritability is there. So but we can handle it as a natural health consultant. I have clients who address that, and I can definitely help you out. That feeling can be managed and disappear over time. So we can help you a lot to balance the hormones and reduce that feeling of depression. If you want to know what are the solutions, I'm going to talk about the solutions today, and how natural solution can help to reduce sad emotions or depression. Actually, prevent depression, persistent sad emotions. The objections, unfortunately, there are some objections. Sometimes we say, okay, if there is like a few weeks of sad emotions, we postpone it, so do not pay attention to it. Or we say, oh, it's nothing, it's normal, but we need to pay attention. Actually, if we postpone it for a long run, that could become clinical depression and other physical health issues come after that. Some of the physical issues related to the persistent sad emotions are like feeling of shoulder pain. If you feel shoulder pain for a long time, or like neck pain, headache related to the neck pain, those could be some signs of persistent sad emotions. The good news is that as a natural health consultant, I can help you out to reduce those tension from the upper back, because there are some exercise, actually physical exercise, to help reduce tension from the shoulders. I will teach you today, so I'm going to talk about it in the resolution part, the kind of exercise to help your to release sad emotions and let the tension go. Today I'm going to talk about the natural health resolutions. The style that I address for my clients. First of all, I apply food as a medicine. I will give you advice what kind of food to eat to prevent chronic diseases. Also, some vitamins. The vitamins that helps to prevent depression, especially we can prevent clinical depression. As a natural health counselor, I believe we can prevent diseases in every stage they are, but the sooner we go natural, the more effective it is. So I will talk about it, what kind of vitamins can help to prevent depression. I'm going to talk about the herbs, or some of the plant medicines that could help to reduce depression signs and even manage it to prevent clinical depression. I'm going to talk about the exercise. There are some specific exercise to help reduce tension from the upper back and release sad emotions. Colors. There are some specific colors to reduce sad emotions, so we can do color therapy. Also, mindset. How we think or what we think has influence on our emotion and our feeling. Holistic is about whole health, physical, energical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. So each aspect of our health has effect on the other aspect. When we improve the physical aspect, we can improve the emotional and mental aspects of our health. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the food as a medicine. If you're here, let me know. Welcome everybody. I hope everybody can join me every week, every Tuesday, because if you're live, you can ask questions. If you like to replay, you can replay since you're the member of the group, but feel free to ask questions or send me messages so I can answer it later. Over here, in order to reduce sad emotions, some foods are healing. For example, one of the healing foods to reduce depression, especially in this winter season that we are right now. It's December, it's winter, and actually this fruit season is the season that we have this fruit. It's pomegranate. Pomegranate is the source of potassium, magnesium, and the best healing fruits that helps the heart health actually. So it could also reduce sad emotions, depression, because of its minerals and its positive influence in the physical health. Another fruit is pear or pears. You see the yellow fruit. That yellow fruit is a good source of vitamin B, and this seasoned fruit helps to prevent depression. If you want to know about these seeds, one of the best natural remedies for to reduce sad emotions is sesame seeds. Try to add or spread sesame seeds over your food. Could be bread, salad, or any kind of food that you like. Sesame is a source of magnesium and reduces sad emotions. Another nuts that could help is almond. And almond is a great source of magnesium, so try to have it in your diet, especially in winter time, to prevent depression. Okay, friends. Okay. All right. If you're here, let me know. Welcome everybody. Now, I'm going to talk about the vitamins to prevent depression. One of the vitamins is vitamin D. It's been recommended, especially in winter time, since we have lack of sun, especially in those states who are more rainy or snowy. Try to have vitamin D as a great supplement to prevent clinical depression. If you want to know some of the herbs or plant medicine that can help to prevent depression, one of them is lavender. lavender, that purple flower. You can have like lavender tea, drink it, especially in the evening. It has relaxing effect on the nervous system, and also refreshes your emotion and improves psychological health too. Okay, I see somebody's here. Welcome, welcome. Good. Oh, yeah, Yasaman is here. Welcome, Yasaman. Nice to see you. Good. Thanks for joining me. I'm talking about sad emotions and natural resolutions. I talked about food as a medicine. I addressed some of the foods that help to reduce sad emotions. One of them is pomegranate, the other one sesame seeds, third one almonds, and right now oh, and also I talked about vitamins. Vitamin D is one of the best to reduce sad emotion. The herbs or plants that help to reduce sad emotions, persistent sad emotions or depression is one of them is lavender. Has purple flowers, and you can have like lavender tea in the evening and to feel its healing effects. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna talk about exercise. Exercise, one of the best exercise to reduce tension from the upper back and shoulder area is actually, I'm going to demonstrate it to see how you can do it. You can do it at home. It's easy. Everybody can practice it. And the good thing about this exercise is that it improves oxygen, nutrients to the lungs and expand the hearts. Helps to reduce tension from the shoulder muscles. Too much sad emotions can create blockages in the upper back shoulders, and in the long run, if we do not pay attention to it, could cause lead to lung diseases. Those who have lung issues or breathing issues, those could be related to too much sad emotions. And just to mention that the other health issues, one of the other health issues related to women's hormonal imbalance is breast cancer. And there is a link between breast cancers and too much sad emotions. So we need, as women, to address release those sad emotions. One of the best natural ways to reduce those sad emotions is exercise. Since I'm a naturopath, I recommend, and also I'm a yoga teacher, yoga therapist, I recommend exercise for every kind of disease. And if you want to know the specific exercise for depression prevention, I'm going to show you this, demonstrate this one. See, you're going to stand up. You're going to place your hands in front of your chest, spread your fingers. Make sure pulling the shoulders back and down, draw the belly in. You can practice it with me right now. Make sure expanding the upper body. Open up, expand, open the heart center as much as you can. See? Then soften and release. Breathing, expanding, opening up. Breathe out, softening. Try to integrate your breathing with your movement. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, soften. Now, if you like to have more challenge, you can interlace fingers behind. I'm going to turn around so you can see me. See, interlacing fingers, elbows are bent, shoulders back and down. I'm looking up, expand, open the heart center. Then prepare, softly back to the center, release and relax. This movement, or actually yoga posture, is one of the best healing poses to reduce sad emotions. Expanding, opening up the lungs, expanding the heart, letting more oxygen flow to your heart and lungs. Also, breathing helps. Try to expand, open up. The more oxygen you can take, the better it is for your lungs and heart. So, do your best to practice this movement every day, especially in the morning, whenever you like to feel happier or you like to release tension from the shoulder muscles, you feel some tense shoulder muscles or neck pain. This exercise could be one of the best healing movements. The main point is that you're going to do it regularly. Okay, if you do it once or twice, say, oh no, it's not effective. No, it's not going to be. You're going to do it regularly every day and try to hold the posture for a longer time. The longer you can hold and breathe into the posture, the more effective it is. So do your best to practice it every day. All right, friends, good. Now, I'm going to talk about colors. There are some healing colors helps to reduce sad emotions or depression. One of them is orange color. If you like to try to wear or put on orange dress, orange shirt, or orange, anything orange color has healing effects to reduce depression and sad emotions. If you want to know science behind it, because orange is the color of second chakra or color of energy. So when there is fatigue, sad emotions, lack of motivation, orange color motivates you, gives you more energy. So try to practice it and see how it works. Another important point in order to prevent depression is mindset, how we think. I know controlling the mind is like a challenge and it's like a habit, but do your best to think positively. Stay positive even though the environment is not suitable or it's not what you have expected. You're gonna be like a lotus flower, positive, glow and blossom toward the sun. So try to stay positive, think positively. It helps to prevent depression or sad emotions. Understand sometimes there are like life events, it makes us sad. It's the feeling of compassion, but we're gonna stay real and feel the reality. Although we feel compassion for others or for the life events or loss or losing job or losing somebody, but we cannot hold on to it forever. So try to reduce those sad emotions, forgive and forget, take care of yourself, because the psychological body can have influence on the physical body. So try to maintain your positive mindset to prevent clinical depression. Also, sometimes of sad news, if we listen to sad news too much, it makes us sad too. So do your best to keep your mind positive. Okay, I see Yasaman is still with me. Thank you, Yasaman Jan. I'm gonna continue and talk about the story of my clients. I've had a client. She came to me and she said, "I've been feeling like sad emotions, especially before my period. Usually, when women, we have like monthly periods, and 1 week before the period, we feel that kind of sad emotions, feeling of irritability. So there are solutions." She came to me and I did a whole health evaluation. I found out that her sad emotion is related to the hormonal imbalance. After evaluation was done, I'll give her suggestion what kind of food to eat, how to change her diet, what vitamins to take according to her hormonal balance, because these are all related. Organs are related together, nothing is separate. So since I practice holistic, I have to consider physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. When we improve physical health, we can improve the emotional and mental health too. For example, in this case, if there is depression or psychological sad emotions, for a long run can have effect on the physical body. It can lead to heart disease, can lead to lung disease, and especially in women can lead to breast cancer if we do not address chronic sad emotions. That's why it is important to address it. So she came to me. I did whole health evaluation. I gave her all my suggestions, what to eat, how to change her diet, what vitamins she needs. That those vitamins not only improved her hormonal balance, but also reduced those sad emotions and prevented depression. Also, I suggested some herbs or herbal medicine, that plant medicine that prevents future depression and also makes her feeling happier, healthier in the present moment. So these were the most of my recommendation to her. She practiced it, she did it. After 3 months, she came to me and she was so thankful. Thank you so much. You helped me not only to balance my hormone and my periods become more regular, but also psychologically, I feel there is like a feeling of less irritability before period and less feeling of that depression before period. So these are related together. Once we improve one aspect, we can improve the other aspects too. Okay, over here, how I can help, since I practice holistic health, I consider your whole health, not only physical body, but also emotional, mental, and spiritual body. Feel free to reach me with any questions or comments you have, because I do my best to find out the root causes of the health issues. It could be psychologically, physically, or emotionally. So we have to find out the root causes of health issues. Then I can help you with the all natural solutions, no drug, no chemical is involved, all natural, less side effects. And the good thing is that the solutions are not only physically but also psychologically and mentally. And you can prevent future diseases like heart disease, lung disease, and even diabetes when you address these sad emotions in present moment. Do not let it become persistent sad emotion. The sooner you can address it, the better and the more effective results you will get. You will feel happier, healthier, more energized, less fatigue, so you can have like family around, enjoy your activities. Feeling happier would be the best results that you have expected from the natural health resolutions. My offer over here, if you like to do whole health consultation, holistic health consultation, I'll be glad to help you out. I can offer you free relaxation, a massage for 30 minutes, and also you can reach me, call me. You have my number, 949-500-2984. Email me, or you can DM, text message me on Facebook or on my cell phone. Feel free to invite your friends to the group if they are interested in natural works, especially if you're young and middle-aged. This group is specific for women, so we are all women. We share, our insight, and we try to resolve if there is some health issues. So feel free to ask me any question you may have, or appreciate. Thank you for joining me.